This is continuation of the lesson Urida Baduku from Siri Kannada grade 9. In the previous video, we had seen that Tippanna fights with the Razakars and escapes and tries to find refuge in his sister's house. But his sister refuses to give him any refuge. She packs a bag of food and tells him to go anywhere and have the food. So, in the middle of the night, Tippanna is walking around not knowing what to do when somebody comes from behind and catches hold of his hand. When he turns, he finds out that it is Shankaranna. And Shankaranna takes him to a house. They go to the backyard of the house, they knock on the house thrice, and somebody opens the door and they walk inside the house. Now, the continuation. Ibru ಹೊಸಬ್ರಾಗಿದ್ರಿ ನಿಮ್ ಪರಿಚಯ ನಿಮ್ಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕಾಣ್ತದ ಈತ ಭೀಮ್ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಈತ ತಿಪ್ಪಣ್ಣ ಶಂಕರಣ್ಣ ಇಬ್ಬರ ಕಡೆಗೂ ನೋಡಿದ. So the person who opened the door was a short person with a thick mustache. So now Shankaranna is telling Ibru ಹೊಸಬ್ರಾಗಿದ್ರಿ. So he says, I think both of you don't know each other. You both seem to be new to each other. Nim ಪರಿಚಯ ನಿಮ್ಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕಾಣ್ತದ. So he says, I think both of you don't know who each one is. And he says, I will introduce them. Eeta Bhim Reddy. So he says, this is Bhim Reddy. And Eeta Tippanna. And he says to Bhim Reddy, he is Tippanna. So Shankaranna ibbara kadegu nodida. So Shankaranna introduces both of the people, Bhim Reddy and Tippanna. ಇಬ್ಬರ ಮುಖದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಗೆ ಮೂಡಿತು. And then both of them had a smile on their face. ಇಬ್ಬರು ತುಂಗಾಭದ್ರಾ ದಂಡೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಶಿಬಿರಗಳಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರು. So both of them were on the banks. Each of them were in a separate camp, where the camps were on the bank of Tungabhadra river. ಅವರಿಬ್ಬರು ನದಿ ದಾಟಿ ಬಂದು ಆಕ್ರಮಣ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು. And they both used to sometimes cross the river, come and attack the Razakars camp. ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಹೆಸರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದರು. And both of them had made a good name. That they were fighting the Razakars. They were against the Razakars. So people knew them well. ಪೊಲೀಸರು ರಜಾಕಾರರು ಇವರ ಹೆಸರು ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಹೆದರುವಷ್ಟು ಅವರ ಸಾಹಸ. So sahasa is bravery. So they were so brave. Their bravery was so well known that when the police or the Razakars hear their name itself, they used to get scared. ಅವರು ಒಬ್ಬರನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರು ಭೇಟಿಯಾದದ್ದು ಇಂದು ಈ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. But they both hadn't met each other. And this was the first time they were meeting each other, and that too in this kind of a situation. ತಿಪ್ಪಣ್ಣ ಆ ಕೋಣೆಯ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಣ್ಣಾಡಿಸಿ ಶಂಕರನನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ. And ತಿಪ್ಪಣ್ಣ, he just looks around the room. ಕೋಣೆ means room. So he just looks all around the room and looks at Shankaranna. ಆ ನೋಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನೋ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿದ್ದವು. So the way he looked at Shankaranna, it felt like Tippanna had a lot of questions to ask to Shankaranna, for which Shankaranna begins to talk. Itu nan mane alla. So he says, this is not my house. Nan manena 4 ತಿಂಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ Razakaru ಸುಟ್ಟು ಬಿಟ್ರು. So he says, my house was burnt down by the Razakars 4 months ago. ಇತ್ತ ಒಬ್ಬಾಕಿ ಅಮ್ಮ ಹೋದ ವರ್ಷ ಸತ್ತೋದ್ಲು. So he says, I only had one mother. That was the only relationship I had. And she passed away last year. ನಾನು ಒಬ್ನೇ ಊರಾಗ ಕಷ್ಟ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಕೈಬಾಯಿ ಸುಟ್ಟಿಗಂಡು ಅಡಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಹಂಗು ಹಿಂಗು ಬದುಕು ನಡೆಸ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. So he says, I was doing a job of a barber, that is shaving and cutting people's hair, and I was cooking myself, burning my hands, and sometimes burning the food and cooking myself and leading my life. Somehow I was leading my life. ರಜಾಕಾರರ ಹಾವಳಿ ಶುರುವಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ನನಗ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕುಂದ್ರುದು ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. So he says, when these Razakars atrocities started to happen more and more, I could not sit simply. I did not feel like simply sitting and watching it. ಬೆಟ್ಟೂರ ಗೌಡ್ರು ಜತಿಗೆ ತಿರುಗಾಕ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದೆ. So he says, another person. The name of the other person is Gaudru. He is Betduru. That village is Gaudru. Gaudru is usually a head of the village. So he started to go around with a Gaudru. Heli Keli Auru Gaudru. So he says he's a head of the village. ದೊಡ್ಡ ಗುಂಪು ಕಟ್ಟಿ ನಿಜಾಮನ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಸುಡುಹೊಡ್ಡು ನಿಂತ್ರಲ್ಲ. So he was against the Nizam. So he formed a huge group. Dodda Gumpu means a big group. He formed a big group of people, like-minded people who wanted to fight the Razakars and the Nizams. They wanted to free Hyderabad from the Nizam's rule. So he stood up against the Nizam. The Gauda formed a group and he stood up against the Nizam. And ಅವರ ಉಪಟಳ ಆಕ್ರಮಣ ರಜಾಕಾರರಿಗೆ ತ್ಯಾಗ್ಯಕ್ಕಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. And he started to trouble and attack the Razakars. And they were not able to withstand his attacks. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಸುದ್ದಿ. So he says, all of you, I'm sure all of you must be knowing about the Gaudru. Alyandra Ilyara, Ilyandra Alyara. So he keeps escaping. If he is here one moment, the next minute he's somewhere else. If he's somewhere else, then he comes here the next moment. So it's like that person keeps roaming around. He doesn't stay stationed in any one place. Shabas annabeku avrige. So he says, I have to really appreciate him. Shibirada ಮ್ಯಾಲ ಬಾಂಬ್ ಒಗೆದು ಬರ್ತಿದ್ರು. So he used to go and attack the Razakars camps. He would throw bombs and come back. Our ಮ್ಯಾಲ sorry, I think I missed one of the lines. Shabas ಅನ್ಬೇಕು ಅವರಿಗೆ. So I have to really praise him. ಇವತ್ತಿಗೂ ಯಾರ ಕೈಯಾಗ ಸಿಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. Till now nobody is able to catch him. ರಾತ್ರೋರಾತ್ರಿ ಒಬ್ರೇ ಹಿರೇ ಕುದುರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಲ ಹೋಗಿ ಸೈನ್ಯದ ಶಿಬಿರದ ಮ್ಯಾಲ ಬಾಂಬ್ ಒಗೆದು ಬರ್ತಿದ್ರು. So in the night he used to go alone. He used to go on the horseback alone and he would bomb the camps and come back. ಅವ್ರ ಮ್ಯಾಲ ವಾರಂಟ್ ಜಾರಿ ಆಯ್ತು. There is even a warrant against him. ಕಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಗುಂಡಿಟ್ಟು ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಆಜ್ಞೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವರ ಫೋಟೋ ಊರಿಗೆ ಹಂಚಿ ಗ್ವಾಡ್ಯ ಮ್ಯಾಲೆ ಹಚ್ಚಿದ್ರು. So he says there is a warrant against him. There is also an order, shoot at sight order on him, and they have stuck his photo on all the walls. All the walls have been pasted with his photos. ಅವರ ತಪ್ಪಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೊಳೆ ದಾಟಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರು. But he escaped and crossed the river, and he's like crossed the river and went fast. ನಾನು ಊರಿಗೆ ಬಂದೆ, but I returned back to the village. ಅಟ್ಟತ್ತಿಗೆ ಗೆದ್ದೂರು ಗೌಡ್ರ ಜತಿಗೆ ಇವನಿದ್ದನಂತ ಸುದ್ದಿಯಾಗಿತ್ತು. So by then all the people, or there was news that he was always with the Gaudru. That is, Shankaranna was always there with the Gaudru. So this news was everybody in the village came to know about this news, and so the Razakars also came to know. Razakaru Budgalle nange odru. So the Razakars found him and they kicked him with their boots. Nan manina benki hachid, and they burned down my house. ಆ ಬ್ಯಂಕ್ಯಾಗ ಇವನ್ನ ಒಗೀರೋ ಅಂದ್ರು ಯಾರೋ. And then he heard all of them talking, all the Razakars talking. So one of them said, let us throw him also into that fire. ಕೂಳಿ ಇದೆ ತಾನೇ ಸತ್ತುತ್ತಾನ, ನಾವ್ಯಾಕ ಕೊಳ್ಳಮ್ಮು ಅಂದ್ರು ಕೆಲವು. And some of them said, no, it is okay. Without food anyway he is going to die. Why should we throw him in the fire? ಮನೆ ಸುಟ್ಟೋಯ್ತು. So the house was completely burnt down. ಮನೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ಬೇವಿನ ಗಿಡದ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ದೆ. So he was injured so badly because they kept kicking him, and he had fallen down in front of his house near a neem tree. ಒದಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮೈಯೆಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಯಾನಾಗಿತ್ತು. And since they kept kicking him, he had a lot of pain all over his body. ಸವಾರಾತ್ರಿ ಆದ್ರೂ ಯಾರೂ ಬಂದು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಸ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. But nobody came to his help. Nobody came to even talk to him. ಹಸುವು ನೀರಡಿಕ್ಕಿ, and he was also feeling hungry and thirsty. ನೀರು ಅಂತ ಒದರ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. So he was crying, he was asking for water. ರಜಾಕಾರರಿಗೆ ಅಂಜಿ ಯಾರು ಸಮೀಪ ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಆಮ್ಯಾಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. So he says, all the people they feared, they were so afraid of the Razakars that nobody came to me to help. This I came to know later. Vodri Yachara tappittu. So he had even lost his consciousness because he kept asking for help, asking for water, and he was also in a lot of pain. So he lost his consciousness. He became unconscious. Yachradaga ille amyale ille ide konegidde. So he says, but when I woke up, when I got my conscious back, I was lying in this same room where we are standing here. Idu Madra Durgappana mane. So this is Durgappa's house. Ata ಹೊತ್ಗಂಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲಗಿಸಿದ. Finally, Durgappa was the only person who brought him to his house and put him in the room that they are standing on. ಎಚ್ಚರಾದಾಗ ತಂಬಿಗಿ ಬಾಯಿಗಿಟ್ಟು ಕುಡಿ ಅಂದ. So he said, when I woke up, when I got my conscious back, he got a pot full of water. Tambigi means a pot, and told me to drink that water. ನಾನು ಆತನನ್ನೇ ದಿಟ್ಟಿಸಿ ನೋಡಿದೆ. I kept staring at him. So Madra Durgappa, you see, in olden days the caste system was very prominent. So people from different castes, especially the upper class people, would never mingle with the lower class people. They will not drink water or eat food from them. So Madra Durgappa belonged to a lower caste, and Shankaranna belonged to the upper class. So he was wondering, how can I drink water from this person? So he kept staring at him. For which Durgappa says, Kudi Tamma, Jiva Badukli Modlu. So he says, first, let us save your life. So first drink some water. Jivakka yav kulanu illa. Kula is like the caste system. Okay, so there is no caste for life. A life is a life. It doesn't see which caste it is. Galige kula adenu tamma. Is there any caste for the air that we breathe? Neerige kula adenu tamma. Is there any caste for water? The water is the same for everybody. Nelakka kula adenu. Is there any caste for the land? We all live in the same land. Does the earth have a separate caste? We all live on the same earth. Adu navu madikendaddu kudi anda. So he says, it's all what we have made. It's we people who have made all this. So don't think about all that and drink water. Gata gata tambige neeru kudude. So Shankaranna says he drank all the water. Durgappa ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ರೊಟ್ಟಿ ಖಾರ ಪುಡಿ ಮುಂದಿಟ್ಟು ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಉಳ್ಳಾಗಡ್ಡೆ ತಂದು ಮುಂದಿಟ್ಟು ತಿನ್ನು ಅಂತ. So then after he drank water, Durgappa goes inside. He gets him some rotis and some side dishes, a little oil, onion, all that he gets and keeps it in front of him and tells him to eat. Atana mare norde. Now drinking water itself was a big thing because they both belong to different castes. So now Shankarappa is thinking, how can I eat food from him? Kula martugudu tinnu. So he says, so now Durgappa says, forget about all those things. Now you eat. Onderedu Basavannanavara vachana helda. So he also told him one or two vachanas from Basavanna. Kakkayyana Manyaga Basavanna undaddu helida. So he also tells about how Basavanna had food in a person who belonged to a lower caste. Ata uraga yaka nak haliyaga Vedanti anta hesaru madidda. So everybody thought he was a very learned person who had a lot of knowledge. Avobba Ganji Bukka anta nanu tilkandidde. So Shankaranna says, but I did not know he is such a learned person. I thought he was a useless man, only having ganja and leading a very useless life. ಈಗದು ತಪ್ಪೆನಿಸಿತು. But now I feel that I am wrong. ಆತ ಬಹಳ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಅನಿಸಿತ್ತು. So he said, I felt he was really a big man. ಆತನೇ ರೊಟ್ಟಿ ಮುರಿದು ಎಣ್ಣೆಯಾಗ ಖಾರ ಪುಡಿ ಕಲಸಿ ಬಾಯಾಗಿಟ್ಟ. So he says, he only took a small piece of the roti and put it in my mouth. Yen ruchiyagittu, and he says it was so tasty. Gapa gapa, eldu roti tinde. So quickly, I started quickly eating the rotis. Hange kal chachi malagitte, and then I spread my legs and took some rest. ಆವತ್ನಿಂದ ಈ ಕೋಣೆ ನಮ್ದಾಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಟ್ ಡೇ ದಿಸ್ ರೂಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಸ್. ನಾನು ರಾತ್ರಿ ಕಣ್ತಪ್ಸಿ ಹೊಳೆ ದಾಟಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, ಕೆಲವು ದಿನ ಅಲ್ಲಿರ್ತೀನಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಹಿ ಸೇಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ನೈಟ್ ಐ ಎಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗೋ ಟು ದ ಐ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ದ ರಿವರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗೋ ಟು ದ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪ್. ಸಮಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಐ ಸ್ಟೇ ದರ್, ಸಮಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಐ ಕಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ರೂಮ್. ನನ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಶಿಬಿರದವರು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ಸಮಟೈಮ್ಸ್ a few of my companions from the camp also come here. Durgappana ಕೋಣಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಆಶ್ರಯ. So he says this room of Durgappa is a shelter for all of us. ಇದರ ಬದ್ಯಾಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೋಣ್ಯಾದ. So he says next to this there is another small room. ಅದರ ಮುಂದೆ ಒಂದು ಜೋಪಡಿ, and there is a hut in front of it. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದುರ್ಗಪ್ಪ ಇರ್ತಾನ ಹೆಂಡ್ರ ಮಕ್ಳ ಜೊತೆಗಿ. So Durgappa lives in that hut with his family, his wife and his children. Maklu duditara, so and his children are working. Hata bajini ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ, ತತ್ವಪದ ಹಾಡ್ತಾನ, ರಾತ್ರಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಏಕದಾರಿ ಹಿಡಿದು ಹಾಡ್ತಾ ಕುಂತಿರ್ತಾನ. So he says he spends his time by singing bhajans all the whole night. He uses the ekdari is an instrument, a string musical instrument. So he plays that and he keeps singing the whole night. ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಸುಳುವು ಹಂತಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. So but nobody has any hint or clue that we all are staying here in this room. ಬಹಳ ಸಾರೆ ದುರ್ಗಪ್ಪದ್ದು ತಂದ್ಕೊಟ್ಟದ್ದೇ ನಮ್ ಊಟ. Many times Durgappa has got them food and given. That is only what they used to eat. ನಾವ್ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೂ ದುರ್ಗತಿ ದುರ್ಗಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ agli. So they say, but why are you saving us? Why are you protecting us like this? If we get caught, then you will also be, they will come and kill you also. Why do you want to do this for us? When they ask him, for that he says, agli. ನಿಮ್ಮಂಗ ಪ್ರಾಣದ ಹಂತೊರ್ದು ದೇಶಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಾನಾಗ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಾಗ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. So he says, like all of you, you all are sacrificing your life and you're fighting so that we free this land. I am not doing anything for the country. Me or even my children are not doing anything for the country. ಈಗ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದ್ರೂ ನಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಆಗ್ತದಲ್ಲ. So he said at least this much of help I am doing for all of you. At least this much I am doing. ಈ ಸುಡ್ಗಾಡ್ ರಾಜ್ಯದಾಗ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಸಾಯೋದು ಬೇಸಲ್ಲೇನು. So he says instead of living a life in this state where we have no freedom, no independence and always living in a fear of the Razakars, it is better to die. ಆದ್ರ ಈ ಹೋರಾಟದಾಗ ನಿಜಾಮ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹೇಳ ಹೆಸರಿಲ್ಲದಂಗಾಗದು ಖರೆ. So he says, I am sure this the agitation or the struggle that we are doing one day will get rid of the Nizam. This is true. ಗೆಲುವು ನಮ್ಗೆ. surely we will see the victory. ಬದುಕಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ನೋಡೋಣ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗಿರ್ತದ, ಸತ್ರ ದೇಶಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಸತ್ತ ಅಂತಾರ. So he says, if I stay alive, I can at least see the day when we are freed from the Nizam's rule. I will at least see the freedom. If not, at least I will have a name that I died fighting for the freedom. ಅಂತ ಸಾವು ಯಾರಿಗುಂಟು ಯಾರಿಗಿಲ್ಲ. So he is saying that kind of a death is much much better. ಅದು ಪುಣ್ಯದ ಕೆಲಸ. It is also a good deed if I die for the land. ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದಿನವರದ್ದು ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ನೋಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ. At least our future generation will at least see the freedom. ಆಗಾಗ ಆತ ಇಂಥ ಮಾತು ನಮಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತಾನ. So every now and then he keeps talking to us like this. He keeps motivating us to fight more. ಅವನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿ ನಮ್ ಕೈಕಾಲು ಉಕ್ಕಿನಂತೆ ಆಗಾವ. ಒಂದೇ ಉಸಿರಿಗೆ ಶಂಕರನ್ನ ನುಡಿದ. So Shankarana says he is such a motivation to all of us. Whenever we hear him talk like this, we feel so strong. Ukku is like, like iron. Our bodies become so strong like iron whenever we listen to what he is talking. So this is what Shankarana tells. So through this lesson we come to know how much of atrocities were done on our people and how they stood united. See, they even forgot the differences amongst their caste. They even forgot the family feud. Like for example, Tippanna and Shankarana families were not getting well. So they forgot their family feuds. They forgot all their caste differences. So they all stood united and fought for the cause. And finally, Hyderabad was freed from the Nizam's rule. So this is Uri the Baduku.